Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at the Lynx Whiteboard Media Search tool. To access it, we go to our Insert button from the main toolbar at the bottom and we select the first option here, Media. This brings up the media box. This box can be moved around if we click and hold on it, slide it around, or at the bottom we can resize it as well. So we can make it even bigger or smaller. I like to be able to see all of my options. To get started with a search, we have to pick one of the websites here. Let's go with Google. And what we'll do is we'll search for something nice and simple. We'll search for a picture of a cat. Hit search and it will start to populate. There'll often be more than one page, as we can see down here. And so I can go through pages as it scrolls and it's searching for more. And I can pick up any picture and drag it onto the page. I could keep selecting pictures. Sometimes it might tell you that the picture that Google has found isn't one that we will want to use in a presentation, which is absolutely fine. So we can just delete that one and have another go. So how about this cat there? But there are other picture options than just searching Google. If we click on the Google logo there, it brings up those other options again. So we can have Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash is particularly good because it's a website full of professional photography photographs that we have got permission to use. So all of these are totally free to use, and we can pull these out. As you can see, images will often come onto the screen quite large, and then it's up to you. You can shrink them down to whatever size you want them to be. But we also have a clip art area from Pixabay, and we can grab any of these and drag these on as well. In another video, I'll show you how you can manipulate pictures, and so you'll see a lot of these images again in that video. We have GIFs as well. Everybody likes a GIF, so we can pull a GIF out from there too. There we go. And finally, we have the videos. Now, there are two options for videos embedded within Lynx. There is Pixabay and there is YouTube. And both of them are quite different in how they work within Lynx. Let me just close down the media search. So first of all, we have the Pixabay video here. So the Pixabay video, when it plays, will play in a little pop-up window. We can choose to zoom in on it if we want to. And we have the tools here so that we can decide if we want that video to loop. And we can mess with the sound and so on. And I can come out full screen. Now with the Pixabay videos, like any video footage that you have as a file that you would like to insert into Lynx, what you'll find is that you get some tools in the floating toolbar, and the main one here is one called Snapshot. So as the video plays, I can keep hitting the Snapshot button, and now the video is over, I can move that out of the way. In fact, I'll delete it. And here you can see are all of the snapshots, those key moments of the video that we can use if we were storyboarding around that video for some reason. So you can see I've got several pictures that I snapshotted while the video was playing. So of course, when it's a video file that you have placed in yourselves or you've got from Pixabay, then you can use that snapshot tool to record the key moments so that you can then sequence some storyboard around them and so on. However, YouTube's a little bit different. We pride ourselves on having a link to the YouTube videos so that they will play without adverts, but it means that we can't embed them in with our snapshot tool. So when I click on it, what actually happens is the video will come in its own pop-up, because we're kind of collecting that video from YouTube, and then when I play it, you'll see there are no adverbs. Now, if you find that the video won't play for whatever reason, you can click here where it says YouTube, and it will take you directly to that video within YouTube. But when you play it, of course, you might have to suffer the adverbs. But the link should be absolutely fine here within Links itself. So explore the media search, see if it can save you a lot of time and find some great images and GIFs and videos for you to use in your presentations. Good luck, everybody.